Hello guys, hello everybody, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shu and I'm a Cameroonian content creator. I'm passionate about food, culture and lifestyle. In today's video, I am going to be trying the Ivorian dish called Foutou, which is a kind of cassava and plantain mix. For those of you who watch my videos, you get to realize that I once visited a Cameroonian Pan-African restaurant and I had this awesome meal that I was so crazy about. I mean, when I tasted this futu, I was convinced, like I convinced myself that I was going to try the dish, and today I am going to be trying that dish with you. So I'm taking you guys with me to my traditional kitchen. Please watch through the video and let me know what you think about futu. We are now in the kitchen and we are about to start cooking our Foutou. So after setting up my traditional fire, the first thing that goes up is going to be the cassava, obviously, because it takes a little longer to get ready than the plantains. A few minutes after, we are now adding the plantain so that it can get ready at once. But I watched some videos where they prepare the cassava and the plantain in two separate pots, but I don't have time to separate it. I'm still going to pound them together, so so no issue with that. The plantain and the cassava are both ready, and now this is the really hard part, the pounding, guys. Pounding. My arm almost came out after this exercise, guys. Trust me, if you pound like this for like 30 days, you will develop muscles, trust me. So we are going to start pounding the cassava first. I mean, you can't pound both of them at the same time, and you need to pound it well and make sure there are no school boys. You know what school boys are? They are like obstacles when you're eating your fufu. You don't want to feel some little balls in your mouth, so pound it well. Pounding your cassava, make sure that it is very soft, and then take it out and then start pounding the plantain. It was very easy for me to pound the plantain because, you know, it isn't hard like the cassava, so it was just like an ABC task. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to mix the cassava. You're going to mix the cassava and the plantain, the pounded cassava and plantain, and you're going to pound them together until they have a unique color. So keep pounding. So this is what your futu looks like at the end of everything. So would you like to try this recipe? I personally love it, so I encourage you to try it. And one important detail When peeling your plantain, endeavor to remove the middle part, those dark seeds in the middle of plantains. Yeah, I'm sorry I forgot to mention that, but it is a very important point. This is going to help your Foutou to be very smooth and not have any ugly look. All right, that's for aesthetics. Without which, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye. Food is ready and we are going to be trying out the Foutou, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. So it's generally eaten with okra. It is so soft, so gummy, so yummy. I really like it. So guys, tell me, is this a meal you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section, because I totally love this meal and I just can't have enough of it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.